Guess who? Seville Barber Shop. Tony Figaro Prop. That's very interesting. Very interesting. What's this? Need a haircut? Come in. We'll give you a good trimming. Yeah, and I'll bet he ain't kidding either. The pip dip with a drip clip. The rinky dink with a stinky kink. Come on. How about a little service? Back soon. That's what he thinks. Oh, well, maybe I can cut my own hair. I cut my own teeth. Now, let's see. Where do I begin? Looks like Harmonica Lake. Well, what do you know? Sitting bull. What do you have, chum?
Huh? He want quick shampoo.
Okay, turkey head.
You give Chief the bird, me give you scalp treatment.
Oh, no. Chiefy, me give you scalp treatment.
I want you for to give me the whole works, Figaro.
Okie dokie.
Remove the hat, dope. Hey, take it easy.
Raso ripetimi anche te forbici a mio comando, tutto qui sta. Anche te forbici, raso ripetimi a mio comando, tutto qui sta. Bella risorsa. Vuoi da mestiere? Con la donnetta. Col cavaliere. Figaro, 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 Figaro!
Coming, Mother!
Figaro fa, Figaro la, Figaro fa, Figaro la, Figaro su, Figaro giù, Figaro su. Pronto, prontissimo, come ne sono fatto della città, della città, della città, della città, della città. Bravo piccolo, bravo bravissimo, bravo piccolo, bravo bravissimo, fate fortuna non mancherà. Bravo piccolo, bravo bravissimo, bravo piccolo, bravo bravissimo, fate fortuna non mancherà. Sono nel paccotto della città, sono nel paccotto della città, della città, della città. Guess who?
Today we journey to the beach. What a delightful place to spend the day. Here one finds complete relaxation and is invigorated by the tang of the fresh salt air. The soothing rhythm of the surf, should we say carries one away? Yes, I think we should. For those who seek entertainment, there's the amusement pier where everything... Say, wonder why all the crowd? Looks like a fight.
I guess you think you're trying to kill this turkey. Well, I am, and I tell you why. Today is my day off. So, as is my usual custom, I came to the beach.
My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over... My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. Bring back my body to me, to me. Bring back my body to me. That is all. Roger. That boy wish to ask Yogi question.
Yeah, there is that little redhead. Where did he go? There is he.
That's a tucky. Yogi must consult stars. He's in there.
Giddy.
You open the curtain and I'll grab him.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And that's why I'm going to get rid of this woodpecker once and for good.
Guess who? Don't bury me not on the old prairie where the hungry wolf can trail me in a shady spot right up the front.
Hold it, boys, hold it. As your newly elected sheriff, I intend to run this here buzzard clean out of the county. Oh, yeah? Well, you better start a running, Sheriff. It's a Barber. Now let's see. My first shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway in 2. Over the green in 3. Back on in 4. And took 2 putts. For a 6. The scores is a-getting tougher all the time.
But bury me not on the old prairie. Now, where's this guy they call Buzz Buzzard? When I get my hands on that buzzard, I'll tear out his gizzard. Uh-oh.
Now then, which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzzard? going to have a drink together. Ain't we, Sheriff? What did you have, Shorty?
I'm a having red-eye. What's yours?
Make mine red-eye, too. Well, Sheriff, get drinking. No. You better draw, Sheriff, 'cause I'm a-coming to get you.
Old boy, you can do it. Up the old fight. Going up?
Going down.
Yes, no. Enjoy winter sports at Swiss Chard Lodge, Sunstroke Valley, Idaho. Excellent food. Oh boy, food! That's my favorite dish. I'll take a shortcut. Like the flying or the snowy, shuck, 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 with sleigh bells ringing, gaily singing, merrily we go. All the world is like a white and snow so cold and crisp and like the shop and blowing. We are going onward through the night.
By Gary, this is good. Even if I did cook it myself, it's wonderful.
Hot diggity dog. Food. Howdy, Pop. Woody's my name. Woody Woodpecker. What's yours? Never mind. Skip it. How about some of that excellent food?
Not so fast there, Sonny. Aren't you a little impulsive?
Impulsive? No, I'm repulsive.
Can't you read? Positively no accommodations without a reservation. I said we don't take any guests without a reservation.
I got reservations. I got lots of reservations. Have some.
Reserve seat, Yankee Stadium, table reservations, Acadero, reserve seat, Rose. Reservations. Ah. Open up the door. Open up or I'll throw you out. By Jiminy, I think I have just about too many of his jokes. Now, by golly, I'd throw you out. What's good for the goose is bad for the woodpeckers. By Jiminy, if it isn't Chris Kringle.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! Like the flying or the snowy, oh, the sleigh bells ringing gaily, singing merrily we go. Oh, hello, merrily on we go. Oh, hello, merrily on we go. Guess who?
All you do is eat and eat, but you never pay a dollar. Now get out for good. And by jumping Jiminy, don't come back anymore. You move. moocher.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, mooch applies to you. He's got a nerve, throwing a guy out on an empty stomach. I'll find another boarding house. Uh-oh. Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally Walrus, asthma, 4343. What a coincidence.
Hello?
Is this Wally Walrus?
Yeah. This is Wally Walrus.
Well, this is Clementine. I saw your ad in the paper.
Ah, that's good. Young lady, are you refined?
Am I refined? I'm 110 octane. Now don't go away. I'll be right over. Goodbye.
Ah, Clementine. What a beautiful name. And by golly, she's coming to see me too. Sweet and dainty, like a fairy, and her voice is so divine. Like a feather in the feather, she's my darling Clementine.
I'm Clementine, but you can just call me Clem.
Pleased to meet you. And my name is Walrus, but you can just call me plain Wally, yeah, sure.
Okay, you cute little Wally.
By golly, she is plenty wonderful. Ah, there you are, me little love bird.
You're a naughty boy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
I said you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm
You
not.
are. You are.
No.
Yes, you are.
Ah, she loves me. It is you? Huh? The woodpecker.
Yeah, and you're Clementine. Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling, Clementine. your seats, for you're going to hear the doggonest explosion you ever heard.
Get back with my food!
I do the work of 3 woodpeckers around here. That's why I eat so much.